Hi everyone and welcome back to the channel. This is TAV here. So if you are feeling that your PC is running very slow over time and you by the time with usage of Windows you accumulate so many temporary files in background and you want to clean it up. Basically most of the people look for third party application to do that, but Microsoft have like a while ago introduced a very nice utility tool which has a very nice dashboard and it's very easy to use for both Windows 10 and 11, and it work like a very clean professional a kind of centralized dashboard that it carries with it, and it really helps you maintain and optimize your PC performance and without needing any technical expertise in doing that. So so it can make your PC maintenance super easy, and you can quickly free up your storage by cleaning junks and temporary files. So also you can boost performance by closing unnecessary background application, release your unnecessarily occupied RAM space. So so you can also do health checkups and fix common issues. So this is really going to help you a lot, and it also have introduced annoying pop-up reduction and ads while you are working on your Windows. So it's a really perfect for regular users and who don't want to go in through different window settings or task manager run different run commands to clean the temporary files. So it is a very super easy application. So without further delay, let's jump into that application. So to get that application, first you have to go to your uh, Microsoft Store. From here you can launch your Microsoft Store and you have to search for PC Manager. So this is the application called Microsoft PC Manager. Click here and then click on install. It will ask you for user account control privileges. Click yes. Wait for the application to install. Once it get installed, it will show up in our tray, tray icons. Like now it says your Microsoft PC Manager is installed. Now close the Microsoft Store. Click on this notification. As soon as you click it, it will open up our PC Manager for the first time. So it will show you the welcome screen, and if you want to uncheck this box, you can uncheck this because this is going to automatically start with Microsoft PC Manager when I sign into Windows. So whenever systems starts, you can keep this application launched. So I will recommend to keep this checked so that it takes care of your system health check every time when it's when we do our system start. Or so now click on get started. So it will say try our smart screenshot to explore. So there are so many things that we will discuss one by one about this one. So I'm closing this one. So now Microsoft PC Manager is opened in home window by default. You can see here this blue vertical bar to the side, and you will find here PC boost. Currently my memory usage is about 70%. Temporary file occupied by Windows is 166 MB. So just by clicking this boost button, it will free up of my memory usage and temporary files. Now you can see it tried to reduce the memory usage and temporary files. Since just now I restarted my system, so system couldn't find any background app which is consuming my memory. So you are not seeing any difference in this percentage. But yes, when you will continuously work in your system, and when many apps when it will run in background, it will drastically reduce your memory usage. So yes, you can from here also do a health check. Like when you click here health check, it will start scanning your PC for this trace cleanup, space cleanup, and various applications. And it helps you to identify various applications that you don't use for many longer time. But it takes your system's storage space So you can simply come here to find that statistical data, like from how much time you are not using that application, and then you can uninstall it. So it says there are 527.4 MB of space that can be freed. So please check like what you want to remove from this, and it's very nice actually. You will find everything in one dashboard, all the things are coming up in front of you. So when you hit clean, you can actually uh, uh, you can keep whatever data you would like to keep with you, and if needed you can do clean it up. So I don't want this to sit in my system, I want to free the space. I can simply hit here clean, and it will start doing the cleaning. So it's just one click, and once it's completed it will show cleanup completed. Similarly, there are 116 usage traces. You can come here, select like of which system traces you want to clean up, so you can clean it. And likewise you can do your system health checks. So once done, you can once you are done, you can close this window, and then you can look for the startup application. From here itself you can do the deep cleanup as well. It will start doing deep cleanup in like your temporary files in the system. So right now it is not showing up, but yes, if you would like to do the deep cleanup, you can also do it from here. And you can check your storage. Here you will find the apps. If you want to do something deep install, you don't want to keep any leftovers, you can simply come here and you start doing an installation. And here you will find one AI tools, like you can use a circle to act a shortcut. This is what the pop-up was coming up when we install this application, when we launch this application. So it says control shift and A. So this is what it was saying, like hey, you can start using this. So it will do after selecting this custom screen, you can do the text extraction, you can also do the translation, smart copy. So this is in this way you can also copy to Excel, copy to PowerPoint. So this is a very fantastic tool. Like many people use text extractor, but here you are getting this in built in this system. So yes, you can try this out. There are so many things like OCR text table you can scan, or you can take a screenshot of any PDF of which you want to copy certain text. You can do this from here. And you can also restore your PC from any and here you will see one clawboard. This is a secure sandbox application. You can create your sandbox here to test, debug any program application that you would like to do. You can allocate the CPU cores. Like if you have 8 cores, you can utilize lower than that to run your Windows application as well. So you can allocate the memory. You can create a path, a folder where you want to create the sandbox for your isolated runtime environment. So it will be completely isolated from your current Windows which is running. So yes, there are so many tools that you can find really very helpful in your day-to-day application. It's very smart utility tool, and it's coming from Microsoft directly, so you don't have to pay anything extra. This is completely free. So I hope you will start using this application and to make your PC optimized and productive. I hope if you find this video helpful, um, then please like, share and subscribe, and let me know what I um, make in my next video, any topic or any tutorial that you are looking for, any solutions that you are looking for that you haven't find till now. So I will try to make that video for you guys. So thank you once again for watching and being with me. See you in my next video. Till then, take care and bye bye. Peace.